my voice. This is my first.
No.
Why you let us to stay like that for the hostel?
First, listen my voice.
Why do you let us
This
to stay
is
that?
first direct discussion with the student. This is first discussion between the two students.
No. You waited for the protest. You waited for the protest. You are not the only one.
Samples, 20 samples from different hostels have already been sent to Pasture Institute, and within 10 days we will get.
We want an answer. We want an answer. What is the color of the water? So we want an answer. What is the color of the water? What is the color of the water?
Another point.
Sir, so what is the color of the water? 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 There's no solution provided by the VC here.
He is just discussing the agenda.
He's just discussing.
No, sir.
Let us tell our VC. Let us tell our honorable VC that we know about the agenda. You provide solutions. No, sir. Provide a solution.
But this law does not have paper and pen. We'll give him now.
Okay, let's
Visited the hostel. I already visited the hostels. Hiring of the buses.
Yes, sir.
Ivan is here. Committee already constituted. Committee is doing the work. I think in this month you will be जो है.
I think our assurance in this month.
हाँ, assurance in this month.
No, sir, within this week. Within this week.
Okay, there is a system, no.
For the buses,
That
sir.
directly can have the
Sir, sir.
government system, no. So already Ivan is, the team is already working in this area.
So for the
In the
buses,
interest of the buses.
For the buses.
In this month.
but they have constituted our committee.
Actually, what is the actual position?
And it has
Ivan
also
is
been
here.
approved to hire buses. And
Ivan
why
is
he
here.
said still pending to hire buses?
Ivan is
Provide
here.
a tender today itself. Get the buses within a week.
So first listen to me.
Okay, listen.
Please, quiet, all of you, please.
Listen.
The Ivan given this me, these are the issues of the students. Unka, these issues are not clear.
So we have not said any
The question is that my voice.
Wait. The question is,
Allow sir to speak first.
where is our last memorandum?
Yes. Bring our memorandum.
Bring out our memorandum.
Remember, we submitted a memorandum months ago.
First listen the things, no. I'm discussing, the issues are not clear. Then he
The issues are clear in memorandum. Bring out memorandum. Bring our memorandum. Where is our memorandum? Where is our memorandum?
given this memorandum today.
Where is our memorandum?
I already discussed all the officials of the thing. I'm just going to clear here. First listen to me, no?
Okay, sir.
Listen to me, no?
Please listen.
In this memorandum, you have mentioned the 20 points. Okay? The first point is to fill up all the vacancies. All of you know about the teacher's post and some not teaching post already advertised. The practice is already going on.
We don't want advertisement. We want teachers.
Even you are not going to listen me, first listen me, no?
Please listen.
The regular post already advertised, activity of the appointment of the assistant associate professor is going on.
How many months ago, sir?
It will take some time.
How much time? How many months ago? How many? I can even ask how many months. I have to ask how many years?
After we pass out, we'll get our teacher.
I cannot solve all the problems immediately, that's possible. I am already doing the work in the interest of the university and
7 months
students.
is long enough.
Okay.
We need 3 months. After 2 months, we are completing our course, sir. When will we get our Not still a Wi-Fi connection.
So we'll go one by one. It's
All of
only
you are
been months.
there.
It's not months.
It will take few months. I think before December of this month, I will be in position to appoint all the advertised posts.
Give us an assurance in writing.
Let me say something, sir. In our law department, since the lockdown, they have been advertising the post for the associate professor and the assistant professor. Now it's already been like 6 months.
Yes.
It's not yet.
Not this is a 6 month. Everything already available on the net website of the university. I think 30th April, 2nd May is the last date of the advertisement.
Give us an assurance that the post that has been advertised should be appointed within the period of 2 weeks. The post that has been advertised.
There are many qualified.
They will not do big activities.
Sir, we don't want teachers after our completion, our session, sir. We want in this session, sir.
I cannot assure in within the 10 days I will be in position to appoint the teacher. I'm not going to
Not
give
qualified.
any wrong assurance.
Not qualified.
Yeah. Okay. So before the December, up to the December.
No, sir, we won't wait till December.
No.
Unacceptable!
Second
No.
Allow sir to speak. Please cooperate.
Talking and you people are shouting.
Please allow sir.
Please.
Bear with
Today I
us.
received some information by our post, not even nominated to the Vice Chancellor of the NEHU. This is clear?
Not clear. We want students' issues.
Yeah. Issues is, you just mention here, academic issues, transportation issues.
That is not ours.
Yeah, that is not ours.
That is not ours.
Please allow me.
Actually, I don't know why you are agitated.
You don't know anything.
Just listen to me. My dear students,
We need